Welcome to this guided meditation practice. Today, we will look at releasing tension from within and outside. So find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Give your body a little wiggle and shake off the stresses of the day. Let it all go. Imagine all your worries melting off of your body and slowly drop your awareness inward. Start with a few simple deep breaths. If you find the breath is not going as deep or it is not relaxed as other times, that's okay. Allow your body to breathe without any judgment. If you allow it to do what it needs to, your breath will begin to lower, loosen, and deepen on its own. On your next in-breath, raise your shoulders to your ears and squeeze. Hold it for a moment and release, letting go of the breath and shoulders. Repeat that a few times at your own pace, feeling your upper back, chest, and neck relax and soften. Breathe in, squeeze, and release. Gently let go of that exercise and find a pattern of breathing that is comfortable for you. Allow your attention to travel to the top of your head. Slowly begin to scan down your body. Bring your attention to each muscle, every nook and cranny, as you move past them. Start with your face. Notice just how bringing your awareness to it allows the muscles to soften. Sense your jaw, then your neck. Into your trapezius muscles. When you are stressed and relaxed, you may feel a lot of tension in these muscles. Take this time for yourself to let go of that hold. Allow the physical tension and the internal ones to drop. Gently move through your shoulders with your awareness. Travel down your upper arms. Pass through your elbows and wrists, right through your fingertips. In your own time, move through the chest, down into the stomach, and around the upper and lower back. Notice any tension you may come across. You may find yourself spending a lot of time on one area. Maybe you may have a lot of tension here, and that's okay. For now, just notice and move on. When you have passed through your torso, drop your attention into your pelvis and glutes. Give your body permission to soften. Move through your legs, into your knees, down your calves, your ankles, and finally your feet, all the way to the tips of your toes. Let go of that attention and give yourself permission to sit with your new sense of relaxation and awareness. Remind yourself to breathe however you may need to. Slowly begin to focus on your breath. Notice the feeling of the air as it travels in and out of your body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, imagine the sounds of seagulls flying overhead. They are joined by the crash of small waves on the shore. They move in their constant pattern, mesmerizing. Allow your breath to synchronize with the ocean. Every inhale is the water flowing back. Every exhale, another crash on the shore. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, softening your body and melting away any remaining tension. Allow the heat to pass through you as if the sun was shining on your heart, melting any internal tension, any stress, any pain. Below, bring your awareness to the sand on the beach, the feeling of the soft grains against your skin. Whether you're lying or sitting on the beach, allow your body to feel the clean, warm sand pressing against you. Feel your weight press against the grains, the softness of their touch on you. As you inhale and exhale with the waves, feel your body melt into the sand as if gravity was working harder, especially on you, to melt your body towards the ground. For the first time, notice the crystal blue sky. No clouds in the way of sunshine. Before you, the brilliant ocean stretches to the horizon. The waves are ebbing and flowing as the sunlight glistens off the surface. Seagulls are flying here and there, and you are alone. A private place for you to let go and be yourself. Away from any mask you put on for people, colleagues, family, friends. A place you're safe to feel how you need to without judgment. Enjoy the silence of a world. Enjoy the silence of a world filled with only natural sounds. In your own time, slowly make your way to the water. As you walk along, feel the impressions your feet make in the sand. The soft crunch of every step, as if there were a small massage against the soles of your feet. The heat is still warming your body to the touch. As you approach the water, the sand below you becomes damp. Its warmth transforms into a cool, refreshing touch. Its softness becomes stronger as it doesn't give way to your steps like before. A few steps further. As you stand by the edge of the waves, you can feel the cold water consume your feet at every crash. Welcome the feeling. The grains of sand travel into the spaces between your toes, only for the water to wash them away. Take a few moments of silence to enjoy this. Breathing in with the waves and breathing out. In your own time, let go of these images. Focus on inhaling deeply. Allow your breath to go as far as it can. And exhaling. Inhale. Exhale. As you continue to breathe, notice the state of your mind and body compared to the start of today's meditation. Hopefully, you're a lot more relaxed than when you were at the start of the practice. And if not, that's okay. It can only take time and practice. In your own time, notice the world around you. Your connection with the floor, your weight against a chair or bed. Maybe you're on a mat or the floor. In any case, just take a moment to notice it and how it feels against you. Pick up any sounds in your environment. Notice the feeling of air around you. And when you are ready, open your eyes. And may you have a wonderful day or night. Namaste.